want to show you how to play that classic ballad, Smoke Gets in Your Eyes by the Platters. If you want the letter notes for that, go to LetterNotePlayer.com. I have them there for you. Well, let's start with the introduction, and then we'll go right into the melody. For the introduction, all I do is an E flat chord. Your E flat chord is E flat, G, and B flat, and I arpeggiate that in the right hand. E flat, B flat, G, B flat, E flat. On the left hand, you're going to go E flat, B flat, E flat, open fifth. Hold it just for a second and then go right into the melody. Now the melody is G, F, E flat, D, F, E flat, C, A flat, G, B flat, A flat, F, E flat. Then he goes up to G, F, G, F, E flat, F, E flat, B, C, D, C, B flat, C, E flat, B flat, C, B flat, C, B flat, C, B flat, G. And then there's a little backup singers that sing A flat and C and B flat and D on an ah syllable. And then they do it again. But they put the closing tag on there that second time. And that's C, B flat, B flat, C, E flat. And then I have a little riff in here that goes F, E flat, B flat, C, G, just like they do in the recording. And then C, A flat, G, F, E flat, C, A flat, G. And then coming down F, E flat, B flat, G, F sharp. And then the left hand you'll have an F sharp 7. And that leads us into the bridge in the key of B. So we're moving into an F sharp 7 to use that as an chromatically to modulate in the key of B. Now let's put the hands together and put some left hand with it. We've got once we get through the introduction, we start off with an E flat, B flat, open fifth, and then we go to a G flat. Now I'm not sure of the harmony there, but I think it's kind of a G flat, D flat diminished seventh or something like that, because you've got D, E, F, E flat, C, A flat, and we put them together. We've got, then we go to a G flat, and all I do, I don't try to put a chord with it. I just hold that G flat by itself, and it's kind of a passing tone, a chord, to get to the F, C, and then to the B flat, D, F. Then we go to a B, E flat, B flat, and now we've got a G augmented, B and D sharp, A flat chord, A flat, C, E flat, and then to an F chord with A in the bass. So we put it together, and I'll go slowly so that you can see how it goes together. Introduction. Stay on that E flat, and then we have the G flat. Now this is an F minor sound. See your A flat, F minor, F major, A natural, F minor. So we've got the A flat up there, and then we're going to a B flat chord, B flat, D, F, major chord, black, white, black. Back to the E flat, now to the G. Now here's how it goes: G, G, and then you hit the B and the D sharp. G, G, and then this G comes with the A flat. So it's actually an A flat major 7th. When you add that G in there, 1, 3, 5, major 7th. You've got A, C, F. Then we have an E flat chord, but I put the B flat in the bass. So I'm walking up that G. So we got F, G, A flat, A, B flat. So there's Here's your E flat chord with B flat in the bass, and then a C minor chord arpeggiated. So you arpeggiate that right with the right hand notes. And we're going to an F7 there with a B flat in the melody, and then a B flat chord. B flat arpeggio, B flat D, F, and do the same thing. Arpeggiate one note for the left hand and one note for the right hand. Now what I do right here, you've got G held in the right hand, and then I walk this up. So I walk it up through the E flat chord. We've got B flat, E flat, B flat, C, D, E flat. Then I go into G, B flat, D. So that kind of turns into a E flat 7, major 7th, or an E flat going into a G minor chord. But I'm working toward an A flat arpeggio and a B flat 7. Okay, but I'm going to take the B flat 7 down an octave. So the left hand's going to go E flat, B flat, C, D, E flat, G, B flat, D, A flat, C, E flat, B flat, D, A flat. And with this G held, it'll sound like. And then the right hand, those backup singers are singing A flat and C. And then with the B flat 7, B flat and D, and then we're back into it again. What I'm going to do right there, when I tag that final part of the verse out, we'll put the A flat and the B flat together to give that a B flat 7. So I'll go C, B flat, B flat, and in the left hand B flat, D, A flat, and it'll sound like this. And then you got to have just a second to pause, and I fill. So I'm going from this E flat, or from this E flat to F, E flat, B flat, C, G, and you've almost got to hit that F with your little finger. Then you got to jump up to C, A flat, G, F, E flat, C, A flat, G. Now let's go slowly with that so you can see it. So all I do in the left hand is E flat to B flat. And then the A flat, and now if you want to put an E flat in there you can. I don't have it in the letter notes, I just have a single note to make it easier. And then the G's come together, and then I have to move to a little finger because I gotta get one for each note. So I'm going F, E flat, B flat, G, F sharp. So we have the G's together, and then hit your 7th chord. Now an F sharp 7 is all black with an E in there. So you've got F sharp, A sharp, C sharp, E, and the way I spell it out, I go F sharp, and then I hit the other 3 notes. And then we're into the bridge, and it starts in the key of B. What you're going to have is D sharp, F sharp, D sharp, and we're in the left hand B, D sharp and F sharp, repeat it. So you're going to hit B, D sharp and F sharp, the full chord twice, and then you're going to go da, 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 and then we're going to go up to the F sharp chord, only I'm not going to have F sharp, A sharp, C sharp, or down here F sharp open 5th, I'll go to C sharp, F sharp, A sharp. So you go down, and then the second time you still have an F sharp here, but we change to an F sharp minor or diminished sound. F, C, F sharp, A, and then back to the F sharp, and you do that twice. So here it is together, and you can hear it, and I'll try to go a little bit slowly, but it's kind of awkward with all those triplets in there. Then we do it again, the same thing. Different melody, and here we go to a G sharp. When we hit this A sharp, we go to a G sharp there, to a B flat. We're going back to the key of E flat. Now you can either hit the E flat there, or you can hit it here. Either one will work. In the letter notes I wrote it up here, but it sounds good down there too. Then to an E flat chord, B flat, E flat, G, B flat on the bottom, and then F in the melody, B flat down here, and then hit the chord. That'll be backup singers. And in the left hand, you're just going to go B flat, F, A flat, and in the right hand, you're making that seventh sound too. And now we're in the key of E flat. That B flat 7 leads us right back into E flat. And we do the same thing we did before. What I like to do is hit the G a little bit firmer, and then this G a little firm too, and then you come back a little lightly. Now the melody's just a little bit different right there. Instead of it goes C, D, E flat, B flat, because you have two words to paint in there. This time you're ending that verse 2, but I don't go up to the A flat, I just play the B flat, D, F, because you're getting ready to end it, and I don't want to necessarily put that 7th in there. You can if you want. Hold it back. So then they come back with the backup singers, "Gets in your eyes," and the second time they sing "Smoke gets in your eyes" up to a G. In the left hand, you're just going to have an E flat, B flat. Now when you hit that F, you're going to hit an A flat in the bass. So you're going to have an A flat, B, E flat. A flat minor on top of this F. Well, anyway, you've got an A flat minor chord in the left hand, and you've got an F in the melody. And then we go right back to the E flat again. This time we have a G in there. We do the same thing. So there you'd have the G against this. So basically your harmony is... Okay. And then we go to the ending tag F. And I hit those pretty firmly. F, A flat, and then hit these pretty firmly. C, E flat, and then these two you're going to hit real nice and firm, E flat and G. So what you're doing there on the arpeggio is E flat, G, B flat, D, E flat. So it's an E flat 7 going to an E flat. Finish it. And I hold this G, I hold that E flat, I hold this G, and you've got these up here. So when you have this F, A flat, C, E flat, make sure you hit these with these two fingers, middle finger and your little finger. Because you're going to have all these fingers. You're going to have to do a lot with that index finger, and you're going to hold this with the thumb. So that ending is going to sound like this. It's in Your Eyes by the Platters. I hope you enjoy playing it.